Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've never had the desire to own an iPhone until my Samsung Fold 3 stopped working after having it for 2 years. I was a victim of the black screen of death and other smaller issues within the phone. However, I heard that other owners were experiencing the same thing much earlier than me. I've always had Sony phones and Samsung phones. This was the first time in my life I decided to purchase an iPhone. Let me just tab. So this is the titanium blue iPhone 15 Pro Max. Anyway, as I was saying, it's the first time in my life I decided to purchase an iPhone because I felt that the price I paid for the Fold 3, it should have lasted for another year, at least 3 years I believe. You know, feeling a bit ripped off, so you know, that's what made me purchase another brand. So anyway, this is the 512GB version. So this one is the Australian version, which has an eSIM and a physical SIM card which you can slot in, because the American version only has two eSIMs. So that's the USB Type-C, which is with this iPhone 15. Apple sticker. What else do we have here? See, so you've got the pin for this version, for the Australian version, to kind of slot in your slot in your SIM card. So just instructions, and let's see the iPhone. Let's just remove the sticker. So believe it or not, it's the first time I've owned an iPhone, and I don't know, it feels kind of good. I can tell it's very, they've used premium materials, so that's supposed to be the titanium here. That's supposed to be the action button with this iPhone 15. Anyway guys, I've got another video coming up which will show the Autobox Defender case which I've bought for this. That's also in blue. Please leave any comments that you may think will be helpful, for a first time user of an iPhone. I'm just gonna bring this close up, the camera. You've got the USB Type-C. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to help out the channel. Thank you guys.